back to my channel. My name is Kenisha. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give me a like, and comment your website down below. So as y'all know, I've been talking about doing these Valentine's Day videos. I was supposed to do this for Christmas, but girl, I literally was trying to do too much and I did not have time or motivation to do the Christmas packaging. I did some videos, but dedicated videos, I didn't do any of those for Bossmas. So for Valentine's Day, I definitely wanted to do a few of those on my channel. So I hope y'all enjoy these videos, and if you guys could please share them with all of your fellow boss friends, entrepreneurs. If you guys find this video helpful, it will really help me out. Just share it, like, comment, all of that stuff really helps me out. So for this video, I'm going to be showing you guys different ways to package your products for Valentine's Day. So I have some treat sacks, I have some heart-shaped containers, my products, and then Valentine's Day related candy, chocolate, and little hearts or whatever. Mind you, you can use any products you want. I'm just trying to give you guys inspiration or some type of motivation you might need to get your creative juices flowing or whatever, because I know sometimes we have these creative blocks and sometimes we don't know what to do. That's what I try to do with my videos, just try to get you guys to think more creatively or whatever. I don't know if that makes sense, but anyways, I'm rambling. Posted a picture of these a while ago. Let me show y'all. I posted a picture, so y'all might have seen this picture on my Instagram. If y'all follow my Instagram, I showed you guys this cute little sack, and it says Love Katie K Beauty. And then I also went ahead and made this one, and it says XOXO Katie K Beauty. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made those. And if you guys do want to purchase some of these for your business, girl, I have them available on my website right now. 3 comes in a pack. And yeah, you can purchase them from me, and I will put your logo text on there, whatever. I don't do pictures yet, I only do text. So if you guys want me to make you some for Valentine's Day, I would definitely go on there and order ASAP. I posted those and y'all really like them, so of course y'all know I had to show y'all on YouTube, because I don't know if y'all follow me on Instagram or whatever. So I'm gonna be doing that. Katie K Beauty on these little heart containers, and then I just put some chocolates in it or whatever. In this video, I'm going to be using my Cricut machine. It's a cutting machine, so if you guys don't have a Cricut, girl, you can use a paint marker. You can go to Dollar Tree or Hobby Lobby or any type of crafting store. You can get you some stickers with letters, and you can just write your text on there like that. Super easy. For the sacks, it is a little different just because these are iron-on. If you guys know how to do iron-on, which is not hard, you just print it out on a heat transfer or whatever and then iron it on. But in this case, it's a little bit different from that, but I'll show you guys how I do it or whatever. But that is a cheap route, and I know I used to get my heat transfers from Dollar Tree a while ago, years ago, when I used to make custom shirts and stuff. I hope that wasn't too long of an intro, but I just wanted to get that out the way before I actually start the process or whatever. So in these little sacks, girl, you can put your lip gloss, you can put eyelashes, whatever you want. I'm going to be using lip gloss, a liquid lipstick, and eyelashes. So yeah, first I'm going to show you guys how to do the text on the heart containers. Please do not mind my nails, y'all. Don't mind my nails at all. Girl, y'all know I hate going to the nail salon. If you've been subscribed to me for a while, you know that I always say I hate going to the nail salon. I was supposed to go the other day, girl, and I did not go. It just takes up too much time, but I'm gonna make myself go, especially since I'm back recording do-it-yourself videos. Gotta make sure my nails are cute. But okay, so this comes 4 in a pack, and if you guys want me to custom make some of these for y'all too, just message me or email me, and I sure will. They come with custom tags in them already, so it comes with a tag, and then it comes with a little ribbon or whatever. So that's really cute. Here is the paper that I use. It is the Paper Studio permanent vinyl. You can get this at any crafting store. I went to Hobby Lobby and got it. And yes, I'm going to be using this. And then also for the iron-on portion, I'm going to be using the Paper Studio brand as well. I have my paper loaded onto my Cricut machine. I just used the Explorer 1. So now I'm going to start cutting it out. And unfortunately, I can't record that because it's hooked up to my phone and I record on my phone. I have it printed out, and as you can see, it says KDK Beauty. I had to redo the K on here because it messed up. Really like how it looks. Make sure you guys press it down really, really good. Here is the heart container, and we're gonna move on to the sacks now. So I'm going to do, I'm gonna do this red one right here, and I already printed it out right here. So now I'm just going to weed it, and then I'm gonna iron it on. To iron it on, make sure you guys have some type of, I think they use like freezer paper or contact paper or whatever. I forgot what type of paper it is. Y'all will have to look it up, or if you know what I'm talking about, then you know. But I'm just gonna be using this little thin blanket just to put as a barrier or whatever. I don't recommend doing that. Make sure you guys do your research. Okay, so literally struggles of being a freaking YouTuber. Like literally, y'all, I recorded the whole thing, like the process of me putting the items inside the sacks and the heart container, and girl, it wasn't recording. So I'm not sure what happened, but I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys how they look up close. They look really, really nice, and I'm gonna show you guys what I put in each one. So sometimes things like this happen, and I don't wanna like just do everything all over the other way. I'd rather just show you guys what I put in here. So for this one, I put in eyelashes, lip gloss, 2 chocolate hearts, and then glitter hearts, and also heart candy. And I wanted to show you guys that you can fit a lot of products in here, and it's gonna look really, really nice. Your customers are gonna freaking love this. So if y'all want custom sacks made by me or bags or whatever, girl, just literally DM me, email me, or just go to my website. But this is how this one looks, and I just showed y'all what I put in there. And then for the heart container, so in this I just have some glitter hearts, and then I had chocolate heart candy, and then I have this cute necklace. So all I did was put the hearts in here through the back, that way you can see how it looks through the back as well. And then I folded this up really, really tight. And then I placed it in here like so. Then I also went ahead and just added a chocolate heart and then a glitter heart on the top, and close it up. So I really love how these turned out. So my camera literally keeps cutting off. This is literally my 3rd time recording this part. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys what I put in each of these sacks. So for this one, I put 5 pairs of eyelashes and 2 chocolates, and then I also put 2 glitter hearts. So with this one, I wanted to show you guys, like, if you guys have like lash packs or just something bulky, you can still fit them in here very, very nicely, and it looks so cute. This one says XOXO KDK Beauty. And then I also have this one where I showed you guys that you can just put 1 product in here. You don't even have to put a lot of products. And yeah, so I just have this little cute Valentine's Day candy, and then I just put a lip product in here as well. You guys don't have to use this idea just for your business. If you're a mom, you can use this for one of your kids or whatever, because y'all know like they need custom stuff for Valentine's Day usually. I don't know if they still do that, but you can easily just put like your child's name on here or their classmate's name, and put like chocolates and little Valentine's Day stuff inside. Also, if you're gifting for Valentine's Day for your girlfriend, for your boyfriend, for your friends, family, or whatever, you can easily just put their name on one of these sacks, or your name with like chocolate or like a cute little accessory, Valentine's Day ring, whatever. and that'll be cute as well. So as you guys know, I wanted to start incorporating other things on my channel besides like entrepreneurship, even though I already did, but I want to do it even more. So if you guys don't have a business, girl, this is good for you. We do have lives outside of our business, so I hope you guys still find my videos entertaining or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video because I don't want it to cut off again. I hope you guys don't mind the way that I just showed you guys, because yeah, I literally recorded it 3 times and it keeps cutting off. But if you guys like this video and you want more Valentine's Day videos like this, make sure you guys like this video and also comment which is your fave, 1, 2, 3, or 4. So yeah, make sure you guys share this with all of your friends. It'll really help me out. And make sure you guys comment your website down below. If you guys want to support my website, just go to kdkbeauty.com. Everything needs updated on my website, and I don't have a lot of things in stock, but I do have a few things for you guys to purchase. I'm gonna get on that. Like I said, I took a much needed break and I was sick, so I have not been doing anything productive really. But yeah, I do have orders that I'm going to ship today. I went to ship them yesterday, that ain't work out, so I'm going to try again today and tomorrow. So make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. It'll really help me out. I want to get to 25K. I just reached 15K and I'm so happy and I'm thankful. And I did not think that I would get this much support on here, but I'm so happy I am. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys later, boss friends. Bye.